Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 24th of July 2024, we have some significant news about ICE cotton futures. ICE cotton futures took a sharp dive, plummeting over 2% on Tuesday to hit a near 4-year low. This drop comes amid a stronger US dollar and favorable weather conditions that have boosted supply prospects in key growing regions. The December cotton contract fell by 114 points, closing at 69.48 cents per pound, marking the lowest level since October 2020. This decline marks the contract's second consecutive weekly drop. March and May contracts also saw declines, with March dropping by 115 points to settle at 71.36 cents per pound and May down by 108 points, closing at 72.82 cents per pound. A key factor behind this decline is the rise in the US dollar index, which increased by 0.2%, making cotton more expensive for international buyers. Additionally, crude oil prices fell for the third consecutive session due to expectations of a ceasefire in Gaza and demand concerns. Lower oil prices make polyester, a cotton substitute, less expensive, further weighing on cotton prices. The USDA's weekly crop progress report released on Monday indicated improved crop conditions, which enhance yield potential. According to the report, 81% of the US cotton crop was squaring, 5% ahead of the average pace, and 42% was setting bolls, 8% above average. The condition ratings also improved, with 53% of the crop rated good to excellent, an 8% increase from the previous assessment. Disappointing export data has also pressured the market. Cotton export sales for the week ending July 11 hit a marketing year low of 27,240 running bales, despite new crop sales reaching a 5-week high of 165,590 running bales. Actual export shipments totaled 113,106 running bales, the lowest since November. In its latest balance sheet update, the USDA reported an increase in old crop stocks by 200,000 bales to 3.05 million due to reduced exports. New crop planted acreage rose to 10.67 million acres, and harvested acreage increased to 9.67 million acres, raising production by 1 million bales to a total of 17 million. Projected end-of-year stocks for the 2024-25 crop year increased by 1.2 million bales to 5.3 million. Globally, old crop carryout was reduced by 1.66 million bales to 79.31 million, while new crop world production increased by 1.05 million bales, with total stocks falling by 860,000 bales to 82.63 million. ICE cotton stocks were down 1,674 bales on July 19 due to decertification, leaving 38,466 bales of certified stocks. The Cotlook A index dropped 115 points on July 22 to 81.05 cents per pound. The USDA average world price, AWP, was raised 34 points to 56.42 cents per pound last week, effective through Thursday. The Commitment of Traders report showed that spec funds remained net short 40,226 contracts of cotton futures and options as of July 16, a net reduction of 223 contracts from the previous week. That's all for today's update on ICE cotton futures. Stay tuned to Ajayasthro Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.